My name is Vankar and you are watching my channel Vivaan and Music Arts and Technology. In this video we are going to see that how we can share our files between Mac and Android without using AirDrop but with an AirDrop experience. So without wasting any further time, let's get straight into the video. Just open System Preferences and go to Bluetooth. Here I have connected my phone OnePlus 5T and here you can see the status connected. And there is no big deal in connecting your device. Just turn on your Bluetooth on your Mac and your phone. Then your phone will detect the name of your Mac and the Mac will detect the name of your phone. Click on connect on any of the device, either on Mac, either on mobile. Then it will show you a code. Verify the code that the code is similar on Mac and your device. So it is a verification that you are not connecting to any other wrong device. So after connecting to Bluetooth, we just need to do a small step, which is go to sharing and toggle this Bluetooth sharing. By default it's off. You need to toggle it manually and see that the status should be green. And after this you can now send and receive files on your Mac or on your Android from Mac. Just go to Bluetooth, select the device, right click, send file to device, and here you can see a file dialog box for the file which you want to share to your mobile device. And just after selecting it, click on send, and here on your mobile device there should be a notification, and here you should click on accept. And after you will click on accept, your Mac and at how much file is coming, how much time is remaining. 24 seconds is remaining, now 22. So this is how we can share our file from Android to Mac or Mac to Android without any obstruction or any third party software. This is 100% official and safe. You can use it on not only Mac, it works on Windows PC, Linux PC and every PC because it's a Bluetooth sharing. Okay, AirDrop is only limited to your Mac, but Bluetooth sharing can be done on any of the operating system. Here in Bluetooth sharing option, you can toggle that received file should be where. So by default it's download, so the file we received should be in downloads. Here you can see it's in the downloads folder. Okay, so that's it for today guys. See you next time.